Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Bulgogi meatloaf. The morning mise en place. The prep for the carrots. The prep for the potatoes. And the prep for the meatloaf. And everything getting ready for the meatloaf to go in the bowl. Everything in the bowl for the meatloaf. Meatloaf is in the pan, ready to go in the hot box. The meatloaf in the hot box. The sauce is doing its thing on the stovetop. Here's the meatloaf right out of the hot box. The potatoes, the carrots, and the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.